ECO-11Vet gathers the technology of computer control, digital scanning converter, broadband low noise voltage amplifier, digital dynamic filtering, frame correlation processing, and edge enhancement to make the whole image more clear with high resolution. Small and portable with built-in battery and waterproof probe, it's easy to operate and get accurate diagnosis. Key features: large capacity pluggable mobile rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Imported 2600 mAh battery cells can work 4 to 5 hours. Power protection function can extend battery life. One key to start, the winter mode. In winter mode, the probe can be used directly without waiting for warm-up. Image processing, up, down, left, right, black, white, invert, real-time freeze. The image stored in the TF memory card can be recalled frame by frame or continuously. Pseudocolor, 8 kinds. Playback, 255 frames. Technical specifications. Scanning mode, mechanical sector scan. 3.5 MHz waterproof mechanical sector scan probe. Frame frequency, 30 frames per second. Gray map, 256. Monitor, 5.6-inch LED. Applications: detect pregnancy, estimate fetal quantities, diagnose disease, fetal vitality evaluation, fetal heartbeats, applicable to sheep and swine for pregnancy diagnosis. Demonstration of ultrasound in use.